Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force. Royal Air Force Typhoon pilots have been testing their flying skills to the limit in Jordan with 83 Expeditionary Air Group. 83 EAG is the RAF's operational headquarters in the Middle East and pivotal in combating Daesh. Last week saw the graduation of multi-engine pilots and Mission Aircrew from 45 Squadron, which prepares all multi-engine aircrew for the front line. 45 Squadron are called the Flying Camels, which you can see on the Squadron badge. Support Force fuels technicians from No. 1 Expeditionary Logistics Squadron at RAF Wittering deployed to RAF Marham to test their agile refuelling capability with the F-35 Lightning for the first time. Campion Intake 724 graduated from their 10-week basic recruit training course at RAF Holton last week. 82 recruits marched into Henderson Parade Square and will now progress to their Phase 2 training. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.